Good morning, y'all. Just sitting down to have some breakfast. Eggs, bacon, and some apple slices. Nothing better than starting your day with a hearty breakfast. Hey guys, it's several hours later and we are ready for some lunch. So we are having sausage and peppers for lunch, just a quick lunch, and any leftovers my husband will be able to take to work next week for lunch. In the time that I've been gone, I went and got my nails done, and then I also went to the grocery haul. As soon as I get these sausage and peppers done, then I'm going to share my grocery haul with you next. So what I'm doing now is I'm just browning off these better cheddar brats to give them some color. We're not going to cook these all the way through. All we're going to do is just give them some color. Next, we're going to add in peppers and onions, and we just want to get all of the flavor out of this pan. We're going to add some Italian seasoning. And we're going to add minced garlic. All right, we're not going to cook our onions and peppers all the way through. We just wanted to deglaze the pan with these peppers. I'm going to meet you over on my counter and we're going to get this ready to go on the next step. Okay guys, we're back over on my counter and I have a casserole dish that I've sprayed with nonstick cooking spray. I'm going to dump in all of my onions and peppers with the seasoning and the garlic. My oven is preheated on for 375 degrees. And then we're going to add our peppers. Just kind of nestle them down in here. I got this recipe from Jerri-Ellen. I will have her YouTube video linked below. I want to make sure that you guys see the original video or have the opportunity to see that original video as well. These are so good and my husband just loves them. And so now what I'm doing is I am just piercing my peppers so that all of that good flavor can run on those vegetables. I'm going to put this in the oven for 35 minutes. Your time may be different depending on whatever kind of brats, so that you just want to check them to make sure that they are at that internal temperature around 165 degrees. So I'll be back when these come out of the oven. All right guys, our brats just came out of the oven. I'm gonna let these rest for just a little bit and then we'll get them plated up. And here is lunch at our house. Brats, peppers and onions, and some Doritos chips. I have Crunch and Munch, 2 boxes of strawberry pudding, extra Winter Fresh gum, 2 limeade water flavorings, 1 lemonade water flavoring, strawberry Pop-Tarts, 2 boxes of macaroni and cheese, pepper jack cheese, mild cheddar, taco blend, townhouse crackers, club crackers, Tuscan Italian dressing, apple cider vinegar, original Ortega mild taco sauce, honey French salad dressing, sliced provolone cheese, heavy whipping cream, Kinder's buttery steakhouse rub, California sliced olives, cream cheese, sour cream, marinade in a bag, sweet teriyaki flavor, potato salad, macaroni salad, Smucker's Magic Shell. I have turkey from the deli, ham from the deli, bacon, Honeycrisp apples, 15 jalapeno peppers, red grapes, bananas, cucumbers, angel hair coleslaw mix, strawberries, green onions, tomatoes, 2 gallons of 2% milk. I needed more vodka for making some more vanilla, lettuce, apple juice, hamburger buns, hot dog buns, super sub buns, soft taco flour tortillas, and fajita size flour tortillas. For non-food items, I have these new, this is mango and hibiscus. They're self-sticking toilet bowl cleaners. So I wanted to give these a try and see if they're similar to the other kind that that's in the hard plastic tube. I needed tape, vinyl disposable gloves for handling all those jalapenos. I needed a new kitchen brush, 3 graduation cards, and non-stick parchment paper. Hey guys, it's been several hours since lunch and I'm going to cook dinner and do a little bit of meal prep as well. So my husband has really been wanting to have like hamburgers and hot dogs cooked on the grill. He actually wanted them cooked over charcoal instead of our gas grill. And we don't have our new Blackstone put all the way together yet. So we bought this little bitty charcoal grill at Walmart, and I'm going to use that tonight. So on my pork chops, which is what we're going to have for dinner tonight, is grilled pork chops. I'm just going to add some Lowry's, some of this barbecue seasoning from Rural King, and then just black pepper. I'm going to season that with both sides. On the hamburgers, I'm not going to add the barbecue seasoning. I'm going to put some of this brown sugar bourbon on the burgers. All right, so I'm gonna go ahead and get everything seasoned up on both sides, and I'm gonna take you outside, since it's still daylight this time. I'm gonna take you outside and we'll go ahead and get all of this cooked. I may actually throw some hot dogs on the grill as well, and then that gives him hamburgers and hot dogs on the grill to take to work during the week for lunch, and it also gives us these thick cut pork chops for dinner. All right, I'm going to season the other side of the burgers once I get them on the grill. I'll meet you outside. It's Abe's burger. Our meal prep for lunches is done. I'm letting it cool off. I also, at the grocery store, bought macaroni salad you saw and potato salad for my husband to take to lunch with his hamburgers and hot dogs. If we don't eat all those pork chops either, then they will go in for his lunch this week. So I'm gonna let this cool off and then I'm gonna get it packed up. Tonight with our pork chops, my husband just said he wanted some macaroni and cheese. So I'm gonna make this, and then I asked him if he wanted any kind of veggies or a salad. He said no, that if he wanted something else, he would just open him a can of pork and beans. I don't know about that. I was gonna make baked beans. He said no, don't go through the hassle. So tonight, my part is a side of macaroni and cheese. And here is dinner at our house this evening. Macaroni and cheese and grilled pork chops. All right, guys, I've got my kitchen cleaned up. Sorry about all that mess over there. And look at y'all, I've been going through my kitchen cabinets, and that big box is gonna go to our church yard sale. The yard sale raises funds for the children's program. So I've been trying to go through and figure out what I don't need in my kitchen so that I can donate it. So pardon that big box too. I just wanted to hop on here really quick and let you know that I'm gonna go ahead and wrap this video. You spent a full busy day in my kitchen, and we've even added in a grocery haul. Just wanted to thank you so much for following along, and don't forget, Jesus loves you. I'll see you guys in the next one.